In Britain, kids love teddy bears a lot. Many shops like Hamleys sell them. You can buy all kinds of teddies in the UK, big and small and of different colors. Sometimes teddy bears wear clothes and hats. They are so soft and cute. Here is the story of one teddy bear. This is Tom, and this is Tom's teddy bear. It is soft and brown. Tom is sad today.
Where is my teddy bear?
Tom looks everywhere. Under the chair, under the table, under the bed. Tom asks Mommy.
Where's my teddy bear?
I don't know. Tom asks Daddy.
Where's my teddy bear?
I don't know.
Tom asks Rex, the dog.
Where is my teddy bear?
Tom's teddy is in the garden.
Thank you.
Tom is happy now. Tom loves his teddy bear.